Okay, doing a quick test of the daily flow in Forge. Go into today. And we can see that Patrick has started doing his daily morning briefing automatically. Might turn on the voice mode while we wait for Patrick to do his work.
I've switched you to Daily Flow for 2026, 7/18. How can I help today? What would you like to focus on?
Not much, actually. Just doing some Forge testing today, thanks.
Got it. Happy to help if anything comes up during your testing. If you want to formalize anything or move to the next phase, just say the word. Otherwise, I'll step back and let you get on with it.
Thanks, that's alright. I'm just waiting for Patrick to be done with his email briefing.
I'll keep an eye on Patrick's progress. Once the output lands in your docs folder, I can read it through for you. Just let me know if you'd like a heads up or if anything else needs attention in the meantime.
That's all good. Obviously, I'll go through Aurora's briefing when she's done with you, but we won't go through Patrick's separately today.
Understood. I'll skip the separate Patrick read through. When Aurora's document is ready, I'll deliver the full briefing to you in one go. If anything shifts or you need a hand with the testing, I'm right here.
Looks like Patrick's writing his document now. Looks like he's done his email triage.
I'll check the output for you. The file isn't in the docs folder yet.
No,
Patrick may still be writing it. I'll keep watching for it. If you want me to pull the current task list and confirm the status, just say so. Otherwise, I'll wait for your signal when it's ready. Aurora's now working on the briefing.
Done. Yeah, you can see that too. So Aurora's started. Very good.
I'll read it now.
No, Aurora hasn't finished yet, so there's nothing to read yet. Don't worry about it. You'll get the appropriate notification when she's finished.
I'll be ready when the update comes through. If you need anything in the meantime, just let me know.
I'm just going to test something that we just created there, which is creating a automatic context folder by dropping something in.
I'll stay out of your way while you test it. If the test shows anything unexpected or you want me to check the folder or context, just say the word. I'm here to help.
It didn't drop in straight away, but I do believe that it's queued behind because, there we go. Context is there. Aurora is finished. Lovely. That's the document I just dropped in. Yeah, sorry. Go ahead, Clara.
I'll fetch it for you. Got it. Morning_briefing_2026-07-18.md is there. Here's the full morning briefing, starting with the email triage. 7 messages handled overnight, mostly CI and promo noise, but the GitHub Actions minutes at 100% is a live billing signal that needs attention today. Weather in Ridgehaven is a cool 15 high, 7 low. Layer up for the morning. Any part of the news or tasks you'd like to discuss before we move to planning?
No, we'll just keep going through the briefing if that's all right.
No worries, I'll keep going. Next up, the news by interest. Business and finance first. ASX risk sentiment is tied to global tech and rates this weekend, and there's a policy debate brewing around AI, data center energy, and water rules, relevant for your cloud planning. Want to go deeper on either of those?
No deep dives today.
I'll keep it moving. AI developments. The federal government just announced a national AI framework with standards, a new AI office, and data center rules, legislation targeted for early 2027. Australian news is dominated by that same policy shift. Motocross and supercross coverage is business as usual for the weekend. Calendars clear today, no events. Today's focus shows the subtasks work and Firebase CocoaPods migration as pending, plus a few carryover ops items from the email. Threads have no new captures today, and the latest Forge update brings faster voice connect and smoother app updates. Blockers are none hard, just that soft actions minutes risk. Ready for planning when you are.
Sounds good. Let's go to planning.
I'll move us into the planning phase now.
I'm actually going to skip planning for today.
We're now in the planning phase.
We are not. We are now in the executing phase. I appreciate that you just got that update, but I also just skipped. So we are already now sitting in executing.
I'll pull the current task list to confirm where we stand.
Hey, can you go to Vital MX for me?
I'll open Vital MX for you now. You're on the Vital MX homepage. What are you looking for? Latest news, race results, or a specific section? I can read the current screen or scroll to bring anything into view.
I'm actually just mucking around with the operator browser, so if you wouldn't mind scrolling for me.
I'll scroll down for you now. Scroll down 700. Scrolling down again. Scrolled another 700 pixels, now at 1400 of 6628. Another 700, now at 2100 of 6628. If you see something you want to check out, just tell me and I can read the screen or click it for you. Keep
Can
scrolling.
you click on the Max Anstey explains leaving Star Racing and joining Club MX? That sounds interesting. What's Max
I'll
up
read
to?
the current. I'll check the current screen to find that article.
How'd you go?
I can see the article now. The headline is Max Dancy explains leaving Star Racing and joining Club MX. It looks like a recent interview or explainer piece. Want me to click it so we can read the full article together?
Yes, please.
I'll click it for you now. The exact headline didn't match a clickable element. I'll read the screen again to get the precise visible text. The headline is actually about Max Anstey, not Max Dancy. Sorry for the mix-up. You're on the article page now.
It was actually a text-to-voice error on the machine, not your fault.
No worries. Easy mix-up with the names.
So, have you had a read of this? Tell me what happened here.
I'll read the full page for you now.
Any updates?
The page is mostly a video embed for the Pulp MX show interview. The only visible quote on the page is Anstey's teaser. I knew their package was good. The full interview is in the embedded Pulp MX show video, so there's no written transcript or further details here.
I thought it was an article.
If you want,
sorry, that's my bad. Hey, can you click on the video? I don't even know if we can play it in here.
I'll try clicking the video for you. I can see a watch on YouTube prompt and the red play button. The exact text didn't match. I'll try clicking at the center of the video player instead. The play button center is at coordinates 452 by 418. It registered the click but didn't navigate away, likely because the video is an embedded player that starts in place.
It's playing.
If you can see the video,
it is playing. It's working. We just don't have sound. That's all good.
It's playing. Great. Sound might not come through in this preview. Let me know if you want to pause it, skip ahead, or head back to the home page. Otherwise, I'll leave you to it.
Appreciate that. I was really just testing some of the functionality that we've been embedding in Forge, which I'm pretty happy with. So I'm just going to back out of that and go back to the work screen.
I'll navigate you back to the work screen. You're back on the Daily Flow work screen. If you want to tackle the subtasks work or the Firebase CocoaPods migration next, or if anything else comes up, just let me know. I'm here.
Can you create a task for me? And we're going to delegate it to a text agent. And I want research done into the XAI open sourcing of Grok build. And I want any interesting developments that have come about through that, or anything we can learn that we might be able to implement in Forge.
I'll create that as a new task and delegate it to a text agent. Task created. I'll delegate it to a text agent now. Atlas is now working on the research task. I'll let you know as soon as the output lands. If you want to check the task list or follow up on anything else in the meantime, just say so. The task is now with Atlas in the Agent Observatory. You can expand the matching row in the right rail to watch the progress live, or use follow up if you want to add anything to the brief. Let me know if you'd like the updated task list or anything else.
Thanks. Yeah, I can see over here I can see the model and the reasoning that's being used. The router, I think, picked a good model with reasoning for that. So we've gone medium for that request. I think on balance that's probably right. Wouldn't you agree? Little mic capture bug.
Medium with reasoning sounds like the right balance for this. It needs solid reasoning to connect the dots between XAI's work and Forge, but not the heaviest lift, so medium strikes the right note. If you spot anything that looks off in the reasoning trace, I can pull the output once it's done and we can review it together. Anything else on your mind?
No, that sounds good.
I'm here if anything comes up, just monitoring the stream if you want a heads up when Atlas finishes.
While we wait, why don't we have a look around the UI? Can you bring me to the project picker?
I'll take you to the project picker now. You're now on the project picker.
Maybe let's have a look at jobs.
I'll take you to the Jobs view now. You're on the Jobs tab now. This is where quick daily or ad hoc tasks live. Things like fix this bug or update the docs. If you want to see the current list of jobs, create a new one, or check the status of a specific job, just tell me and I'll pull the details or help you set it up. What are you looking for?
Maybe back to the daily flow now, because I think Atlas might be done. So let's go back to today.
I'll bring you back to today's daily flow. I'll check if Atlas has finished. Atlas has finished. The research task is marked done. I've got the full research document. It's saved in your docs folder as task-5-output.md. Atlas found that XAI open-sourced Grok build, their terminal coding agent as Apache 2.0 Rust under xai-org/grok-build, with multi-surface execution, MCP, skills, hooks, checkpoints, and sandboxing. The highest leverage ideas for Forge are an ACP bridge for editor embedding, skills packs for personas, tool hooks for policy enforcement, workspace checkpoints before edits, and a headless CI agent mode, plus CI cost control given the actions minutes alert. If you'd like me to read any section aloud or discuss which recommendations to tackle next, just say the word. Otherwise, we can move on to the subtasks work or the Firebase CocoaPods plan.
A lot of that we're already doing, I believe. Have a quick skim.
I'll pull the key overlaps for you. From the research, Forge already aligns on several fronts. The persona system with delegated standing tasks like Patrick's briefing and Aurora's wrap up mirrors the skills packs idea. The Constitution's emphasis on one change at a time with explicit revert before the next is close to the checkpointed workspace pattern. Tool hooks for policy enforcement, like staging trash before deletion, are already in place for some actions, and the multi surface setup with voice, text agents, and multiple tabs covers the TUI headless ACP concept at a high level. The CI cost control recommendation is especially timely given the 100% actions minutes alert from this morning's briefing. The more novel pieces for Forge would be an ACP style editor bridge, formal MCP server exposure of our tools, and a dedicated headless CI agent mode. If you want me to flag any specific recommendations or gaps worth exploring, or if we should move on to the subtasks work or Firebase plan, just let me know.
No worries, that's all good. I'm going to take some time to digest all that. There's a fair bit there. I think that was excellent work. And thank you very much for helping me demonstrate Forge Daily Flow today.
You're welcome. I'm glad it was useful. If you want to pick this up again later or tackle the subtasks work or Firebase plan, just come back and I'll be right here. Have a good one.
Now let's have a quick, let's jump into yesterday so we can see what yesterday looked like.
I'll take you to yesterday's daily flow. You're now on Daily Flow for 2026-0717. Yesterday was closed with 8 tasks total, 6 done and 2 still pending. The briefing and subtasks work were completed, along with 3 review papers that Lens handled. The 2 pending items are the duplicate subtasks creation task and the Firebase CocoaPods migration plan, both of which carried over into today. If you'd like me to read yesterday's briefing document or any of the task outputs, just say which one and I'll pull it for you. What stands out, or what would you like to look at first?
That's all good. I just wanted to do a quick demo to show that we had some tasks left over from yesterday, which clearly I left in ready to action, and then they rolled, which you can see. One of them I've let roll once, one of them I've let roll 16 times to watch it roll through day to day. So take us back to today, please.
I'll take you back to today.
Fantastic.
You're back on Daily Flow for 2026-0718. The carryover demo worked exactly as expected. Those pending items from yesterday are sitting here ready to go. If you'd like to action the subtasks work or the Firebase CocoaPods plan now, or if there's anything else on the list, just let me know and I'll help get it started.